OPPO is moving towards releasing the Find X9 Ultra both in China and globally. OPPO Find X9 Ultra in the tests, real device light image revealed 300mm aka 13x optical zoom. The Find X9 Ultra around a 200MP primary camera with a 1/1.12-inch optical format. A 200MP telephoto camera delivering a 1/1.28-inch sensor size. 50MP ISOCELL JN5 for ultra-wide-angle, the other 50MP telephoto, but the leak says it will upgrade its zoom range to 10x from 6x. The Find X9 Ultra has a 6.82-inch flat OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, powered by a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. OPPO Find X9 Ultra tipped to pack a 7000 mAh dual-cell battery with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.